What's up, guys? I wanted to talk about something. I don't really talk about topics too much, so I kind of want to start. Um, so 1,000 dead fish in Arkansas near where 5,000 blackbirds drop from the sky. This is from the. I'll just tell you. The Arkansas Game and Fish Commission said that they thought it was a disease, that the animals were dead. And or Ozark is about 200 kilometers from the west of the town Beebe, where the game wardens were trying to find out why the 5,000 blackbirds fell from the sky. It happened before New Year's Eve, and the Fish Commission said that fish kills occur every year, but the size was, so big, the fish kill only affected one species, though, and if it was a toxic pollutant, which it wasn't, obviously, it would have affected all fish, but it only affected one. And as for the birds dying, well, they think that they could have shown like physical trauma, and it could have been hit like with high altitude hail or struck by lightning. But they said that the New Year's Eve revelers, shooting off fireworks in the area could have startled the birds from their nest and caused them to die from stress. But they were all wounded, I think. The commission said that Saturday night that it began receiving reports about dead birds, and the birds only fell over a 2-kilometer area, and an aerial survey indicated that no other birds were found dead outside the area. So it doesn't really make sense. I want to know what your thoughts are, because the fish thing is weird. It's really weird, because I don't understand what could have killed 100,000 fish. That is crazy. Or maybe it was 10,000. Let me make sure. 100,000 dead fish. So what are your thoughts on it? What do you think happened? Yeah. So comment below and let me know, and I'll comment back. Much love. Peace. I almost clicked the mouse.